So this is one of my favorite recipe blends. It is my Diffusion Nap Therapy Blend. So those days when you need a nap, some people rise really early, nap during the day and then work in the afternoon, or some people like to nap at the weekend. So no matter what your nap pattern is, and maybe you're not a napper at all, this blend's going to make you a napper, I promise. I was never a napper until about 5 years ago. Yeah, 5 years ago. Now I love a nap, especially on long days at work. There's nothing nicer than taking a nap after lunch and getting back into it refreshed in the afternoon. So I have a nap therapy recipe blend that I diffuse about 10 minutes before I decide to lie down for my nap, and it is beautiful. It's a bit like our olfactory sense or sense of smell has a memory. This is proven science. It has a memory, and that memory is triggered when it smells something that's habitual. So if you nap to this aroma, the next time your brain smells the aroma, it's going to think, oh, we're having a nap now, which is great. So to train your brain and your olfactory sense in that way is really smart. So let's make the blend. This is my diffuser. I use it in my bedroom, so it's my smaller one. I use a really big one for my office, which is a really large room. So larger rooms typically do better with larger diffusers, smaller rooms, smaller diffusers. So fill it up to the water line, just in the max line. And then let's get started. So marjorams first. We're going to use 4 drops of marjoram. Marjoram is also very supportive to your digestive system, which is why I like this post-lunch, because it helps my digestive system digest everything, and it sort of supports it as it works hard after food, but also it helps us to get into that nap mode. Roman Chamomile is beautiful, and I'm going to use 4 drops of it in here, or a few more for good measure. Roman Chamomile is brilliant for sleep, especially napping. It's very, very supportive. It's good with kids. Just check that they like the smell of it first, because the smell is kind of a love-hate smell. So it's beautiful in here. And then 2 drops of Petitgrain. So Petitgrain is beautiful. It's lovely for sleep and very supportive for sleep, so you definitely want to use it in this blend. So that's 4 marjoram, 4 Roman Chamomile, and 2 Petitgrain. You've noticed I haven't used lavender because we are napping. We are not going to bed for the night, okay? None of these oils are massively sedative, which is what we want. We want to take a nap. We don't want to end our day early. So diffuse that 10-15 minutes before you're ready to nap. And if you do that every time you nap, even if you're only a Saturday or Sunday napper, your brain starts to recognize this scent as the one that is associated with you having a nap. You get to that place of sleep much quicker. Try it and let me know what you think. If you don't have any of these 3 essential oils and you want some substitution suggestions, just let me know. Leave me a comment below and I will easily help you, happily help you. If napping isn't your thing and you want uplifting diffusion blends, check out our uplifting playlists. There is loads and loads of different diffusion blends that you can try throughout the YouTube channel. Thanks, guys.